PagerDuty Operations Cloud Online Training. Introduction to PagerDuty Operations Cloud, Revolutionizing Incident Management. PagerDuty Operations Cloud, Revolutionizing Incident Management. PagerDuty is a leading platform in incident management and operational performance, helping organizations quickly detect, manage, and resolve issues in real time. The PagerDuty Operations Cloud enhances the core features of the platform by providing a comprehensive and automated system for managing incidents, improving collaboration, and delivering actionable insights to operations teams. Here's a breakdown of what makes the PagerDuty Operations Cloud revolutionary. 1. Proactive incident detection and response. PagerDuty leverages real-time monitoring and machine learning to proactively detect issues before they escalate into larger problems. By integrating with a wide range of monitoring tools, it can automatically trigger alerts based on predefined thresholds or anomaly detection, ensuring that teams are informed immediately when incidents occur. 2. Centralized Command Center. The Operations Cloud provides a centralized platform that unites incident management, monitoring, and team collaboration. This unified experience enables operations teams to quickly assess the scope of an incident, understand its impact, and mobilize the right resources to address it. 3. Automated incident routing and resolution. With intelligent routing, PagerDuty ensures that incidents are sent to the right person or team based on expertise, availability, and workload. This automation minimizes delays and improves the speed at which incidents are resolved. The platform also facilitates post-incident analysis, enabling teams to identify root causes and prevent future occurrences. 4. Collaboration and communication tools. The Operations Cloud offers robust collaboration features, allowing teams to communicate in real time within the platform. Integration with communication tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and others allows seamless coordination, ensuring that all stakeholders are on the same page during critical incidents. 5. Advanced Analytics and Insights. PagerDuty provides rich analytics to help organizations assess incident performance, identify trends, and uncover areas for improvement. The platform's reporting features give actionable insights into operational efficiency, team performance, and the root causes of incidents, enabling better decision-making and continuous improvement. 6. Integrations with popular tools. PagerDuty integrates with a wide array of DevOps, monitoring, and collaboration tools, including AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Jira, and more. This extensive ecosystem ensures that teams can seamlessly connect their existing tools and workflows with PagerDuty, improving efficiency and reducing the need for manual intervention. 7. On-call management. The platform offers flexible on-call scheduling to ensure that the right people are always available to respond to incidents. PagerDuty's on-call management system optimizes shift management, helps reduce burnout, and balances workloads across teams. Why choose PagerDuty Operations Cloud for your business? PagerDuty Operations Cloud is a comprehensive solution designed to help businesses optimize their operations and improve their incident management. Here are several reasons why you should consider using PagerDuty for your business. Proactive incident management. PagerDuty helps businesses detect and respond to issues before they escalate. It uses machine learning and AI to identify anomalies, predict potential incidents, and automate responses, enabling quicker resolution and minimizing downtime. Improved collaboration. The platform fosters cross-functional collaboration among teams by providing real-time alerts, notifications, and escalation workflows. This ensures that the right teams and individuals are notified immediately and can respond efficiently to critical incidents. Automation of workflows. PagerDuty automates critical workflows such as incident escalation, resolution, and post-incident reviews, reducing manual effort and improving the speed and accuracy of responses. This leads to enhanced operational efficiency and a faster time to resolution. Visibility and insights. The platform provides detailed analytics and reporting tools, giving businesses insight into operational performance, incident trends, and response times. These insights help identify patterns and areas for improvement, driving continuous optimization. Scalability. PagerDuty is designed to scale with your business, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, PagerDuty can handle the complexities of growing operations and expanding teams. Integration with existing tools. PagerDuty integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party applications, including monitoring, ticketing, and collaboration tools. This ensures that your teams can work with their preferred tools while leveraging PagerDuty's powerful incident management features. Reliability and uptime. With high availability and reliability built into the platform, PagerDuty helps ensure that your critical operations stay up and running, even during incidents. This minimizes the risk of service disruptions and enhances business continuity. Enhanced customer experience. By improving operational efficiency and reducing incident resolution times, PagerDuty helps ensure that customers experience fewer service disruptions and receive better service. This leads to higher customer satisfaction and retention. Security and compliance. PagerDuty provides robust security features, including role-based access control, multi-factor authentication, and data encryption, helping you protect sensitive data and meet compliance requirements. Post-incident analysis. After an incident is resolved, PagerDuty helps teams conduct post-mortems and analyze the root causes. This allows businesses to implement improvements, reduce the likelihood of recurrence, and enhance their overall incident response strategy. PagerDuty Operations Cloud in Action, real-time response at its best. PagerDuty Operations Cloud in Action, real-time response at its best. PagerDuty's Operations Cloud offers a comprehensive solution for real-time incident response, enabling organizations to swiftly identify, address, and resolve issues as they arise. Here's an overview of how PagerDuty delivers real-time response in action. 1. Incident detection and prioritization. PagerDuty integrates with monitoring tools, logging systems, and application performance management (APM) platforms to automatically detect incidents across your IT environment. This integration enables the system to categorize and prioritize incidents based on severity and impact. This ensures that the most critical issues are addressed first, reducing downtime and service interruptions. 2. Automatic incident escalation. Once an incident is detected, PagerDuty can automatically escalate the issue to the appropriate team or individual based on predefined response protocols. This ensures that the right resources are engaged quickly, improving response times and minimizing delays in troubleshooting. 3. On-call management. With PagerDuty, teams can create dynamic on-call schedules and rotate personnel as necessary. The system ensures that the right team member is always available and aware of their duties, providing a clear structure for incident response. 4. Real-time collaboration. PagerDuty enables seamless communication between different teams and stakeholders through integrated collaboration tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and more. This reduces the time spent switching between platforms and enhances communication during incident resolution, making teamwork more efficient and effective. 5. Automation of incident response. Through integrations with automation tools, PagerDuty allows organizations to automate certain aspects of incident management. For example, automated runbooks can be triggered to guide teams through resolution steps or to initiate predefined actions, such as restarting services or scaling infrastructure, reducing manual intervention. 6. Analytics and post-incident review. PagerDuty provides detailed analytics and reporting, helping teams understand the root causes of incidents, response times, and the effectiveness of resolutions. This data supports continuous improvement initiatives, allowing organizations to refine their processes and ensure a faster, more effective response in future incidents. 7. Predictive incident response. Leveraging machine learning and predictive analytics, PagerDuty can help identify patterns and potential risks before they lead to critical incidents. By anticipating problems, organizations can take proactive steps to prevent issues from escalating. 8. Mobile support. PagerDuty offers mobile apps, allowing team members to manage incidents on the go. This mobility ensures that teams are always connected and able to take action, even when they are away from their desks, which is particularly important for globally distributed teams. Key benefits. Faster response times. PagerDuty ensures that the right people are alerted and take action immediately, minimizing downtime. Improved collaboration. By connecting teams with integrated tools, PagerDuty enhances communication during incidents. Data-driven decisions made easy with PagerDuty Operations Cloud. PagerDuty Operations Cloud is designed to empower organizations with data-driven decision-making capabilities for managing operations, incident response, and service reliability. It provides a unified platform for real-time data collection, monitoring, and analytics, which helps businesses respond faster to incidents and optimize operations. Here's how it supports data-driven decisions. Real-time monitoring. PagerDuty Operations Cloud aggregates data from various monitoring tools to provide real-time visibility into system health and performance. It integrates with popular observability tools like AWS CloudWatch, New Relic, and Datadog to provide actionable insights. Incident response. The platform enhances incident management by correlating data from different sources, helping teams prioritize issues based on their impact. This reduces response times and ensures critical issues are handled first. Automated workflows. With intelligent automation, PagerDuty can trigger workflows based on data-driven rules. For example, if an anomaly is detected, it can automatically initiate remediation steps, notifying the right teams and improving operational efficiency. Analytics and reporting. PagerDuty provides detailed analytics that track key performance metrics, trends, and service reliability. By using these insights, organizations can adjust their processes, allocate resources more effectively, and make informed decisions to prevent future incidents. Collaboration. The platform supports cross-functional collaboration by providing shared access to data. This ensures that teams from different departments, example operations, IT, development, have the same visibility, improving overall decision-making and response times. Service reliability improvement. PagerDuty's predictive analytics help anticipate service failures or potential risks before they occur, allowing teams to proactively address issues, minimizing downtime, and enhancing service reliability. PagerDuty Operations Cloud and AIOps, the future of incident response. PagerDuty Operations Cloud, integrated with AIOps, artificial intelligence for IT operations, represents the future of incident response, evolving the way organizations handle and resolve operational incidents. Here's an overview of how these technologies are shaping incident response. 1. Proactive incident detection. AIOps, leveraging machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence, AI, AIOps platforms, including PagerDuty, can detect incidents before they impact customers. AIOps continuously analyzes large volumes of data from various sources like logs, metrics, and events to identify anomalies and potential issues. PagerDuty. This platform integrates AI-driven insights to automatically correlate alerts, helping IT teams quickly identify the root cause of issues. The proactive nature of AIOps minimizes downtime and enhances overall system reliability. 2. Automation of incident response. Automated escalation. PagerDuty's automation engine integrates with existing IT and monitoring systems, automating incident response workflows. This reduces the time needed to acknowledge, triage, and escalate issues, leading to faster resolutions. Runbook automation. AIOps enables automatic triggering of runbooks or predefined actions to resolve common incidents, reducing human intervention and mitigating errors. 3. Smarter incident management. AI-powered insights. PagerDuty uses AIOps to surface insights during incidents, like recommended actions and historical data, providing teams with a data-driven approach to problem-solving. Alert noise reduction. AIOps helps reduce the alert fatigue caused by irrelevant or redundant alerts, ensuring that only meaningful incidents are surfaced to responders. By identifying patterns and correlating data, AIOps reduces false positives and focuses on critical incidents. 4. Collaboration and communication. Enhanced collaboration. PagerDuty facilitates cross-team collaboration by providing a unified platform where teams can share insights, discuss resolutions, and track the progress of incidents. AI helps guide teams toward resolutions by providing context around the incident and affected services. Incident resolution playbooks. These playbooks can be triggered automatically or manually, ensuring that teams follow the correct steps for incident resolution. AI can recommend playbooks based on the nature of the incident. 5. Predictive maintenance. Predicting future incidents. AIOPS can predict incidents before they happen by analyzing historical data and patterns. PagerDuty's integration with AIOPS can trigger alerts based on predictive analysis, allowing teams to address potential issues before they escalate into major incidents. 6. Improved post-incident analysis. Root cause analysis. AIOPS helps identify the root cause of incidents more effectively by correlating data across different systems and providing insights into patterns and failures. This post-incident analysis leads to better decision-making and enhanced strategies for future incident prevention. Incident reports. PagerDuty's platform generates detailed incident reports, which are further enriched by AI insights to ensure teams learn from each incident and improve future response strategies. 7. Continuous improvement. Machine learning feedback loops. Over time, AIOPS platforms like PagerDuty become more accurate in predicting and resolving incidents, thanks to machine learning feedback loops. The more data they analyze, the smarter the system becomes, continuously improving incident response efficiency. Seamless integration. How PagerDuty Operations Cloud fits into your tech stack. PagerDuty Operations Cloud is a robust platform designed to enhance the incident management and operations process, seamlessly integrating with your tech stack. Here's how it fits. 1. Incident response and automation. PagerDuty helps automate incident response by integrating with monitoring tools and ticketing systems. This minimizes downtime and accelerates response times by automatically triggering workflows based on defined criteria. 2. Integration with existing tools. Monitoring and alerting. PagerDuty integrates with monitoring tools, example Datadog, New Relic, Prometheus, to provide real-time alerts and insights. This helps teams detect issues early and respond proactively. Collaboration and communication. It integrates with platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom to streamline communication during incidents. Ticketing systems. PagerDuty integrates with service management tools like ServiceNow, Jira, and Zendesk to track and manage incidents efficiently. 3. Visibility and reporting. PagerDuty's analytics and reporting features offer insights into incident trends, team performance, and response times. This helps organizations continuously improve their operations and make data-driven decisions. 4. On-call scheduling and management. PagerDuty enables automated on-call scheduling, ensuring the right people are alerted at the right time. This feature integrates with HR systems, calendars, and collaboration tools to manage shifts and schedules without conflicts. 5. AI-powered insights. Using machine learning, PagerDuty analyzes historical incidents and patterns to offer predictive insights and recommendations. This helps teams proactively address issues before they escalate. 6. DevOps and cloud-native environments. PagerDuty is well-suited for cloud-native and microservices environments. It integrates with cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and containerization technologies, Kubernetes, Docker, to monitor and manage complex distributed systems. 7. Scalability and flexibility. As organizations scale, PagerDuty adapts to growing teams, complex workflows, and an expanding tech stack, ensuring continuous, seamless incident management without bottlenecks. Scaling success, PagerDuty Operations Cloud for growing enterprises. Scaling success with PagerDuty Operations Cloud for growing enterprises. PagerDuty Operations Cloud is designed to support enterprises as they scale, ensuring seamless operations management and incident response. Here's how PagerDuty helps growing organizations achieve success. 1. Scalable incident management. Automated incident detection. PagerDuty can automatically detect incidents across various systems and alert the right teams, reducing the need for manual intervention and speeding up response times. Smart routing. With dynamic routing capabilities, PagerDuty ensures that incidents are directed to the appropriate team or individual, improving the efficiency of problem resolution as teams expand. On-call management. As enterprises grow, managing on-call schedules can become complex. PagerDuty offers robust scheduling tools to ensure that the right people are always on call without overburdening any single team member. 2. Integration with growing tech stacks. Broad integrations. PagerDuty integrates with over 600 tools, including monitoring platforms, cloud services, and CI/CD pipelines. This flexibility ensures that as the enterprise's tech stack evolves, PagerDuty can continuously synchronize and adapt. API and custom integrations. Custom integration options ensure that PagerDuty can connect with any unique enterprise tools or platforms, enabling seamless workflows as businesses scale. 3. Improved collaboration across teams. Real-time collaboration. PagerDuty facilitates cross-functional collaboration by enabling team members to share real-time insights, track incident progress, and provide status updates within the platform. Event intelligence. With machine learning-driven event intelligence, PagerDuty helps teams reduce noise by correlating incidents and highlighting high-priority issues, so teams can focus on what matters most. 4. Analytics and reporting. Performance insights. Enterprises can use PagerDuty's analytics to track key performance metrics like mean time to resolution, MTTR, and identify recurring issues, helping to fine-tune operational processes as the organization grows. Predictive analytics. PagerDuty leverages predictive analytics to foresee potential issues, allowing organizations to proactively address problems before they escalate. 5. Security and compliance. Enterprise-grade security. PagerDuty offers robust security features such as SSO, two-factor authentication, and advanced permissions management, ensuring that as the enterprise scales, data security remains a top priority. Audit trails. For enterprises that require compliance with regulations, example GDPR, HIPAA, PagerDuty's audit logs provide a detailed history of all incident management activities. 6. Advanced automation. Runbook automation. With automation features like runbooks, enterprises can automate routine tasks and incident responses, allowing teams to focus on high-priority, complex issues as the business grows. Incident resolution automation. PagerDuty can integrate with third-party automation tools, example AWS Lambda, Kubernetes, enabling automatic remediation of common issues without requiring manual intervention. Why choose ProExcellency for PagerDuty Operations Cloud Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for PagerDuty Operations Cloud Online Training offers several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides experienced instructors with in-depth knowledge of PagerDuty and Operations Cloud Management, ensuring high-quality learning. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program covers all essential aspects of PagerDuty, including incident response, automation, alert management, and integrations, equipping you with the skills needed to effectively use the platform. Hands-on learning. The online training includes practical exercises and real-world use cases, allowing learners to apply their knowledge to real-life scenarios. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers flexible schedules, enabling you to learn at your own pace or in a live instructor-led format. Up-to-date content. They keep their curriculum updated with the latest features and best practices for PagerDuty, ensuring that the training is always relevant. Support and resources. ProExcellency provides continuous support during and after training, along with additional resources such as documentation, FAQs, and forums to help you succeed. Industry-relevant training. The training is tailored to meet the needs of professionals in operations, IT, DevOps, and incident management, ensuring you get skills that are directly applicable to your job. Certification opportunities. ProExcellency offers certifications after completing the course, adding value to your professional credentials. Thank you.